In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to check your Apple Watch battery percentage. I will show you two different methods to check your battery percentage. One is by pressing this power button. Just press this power button and you directly jump into your Apple Watch control center. In here, you will find your battery percentage. And if you want to add your battery percentage in your watch face, let's see how to do that. Long press on your watch face and then swipe to this left side, and let's add a new watch face. So tapping on this plus icon, in here we have to scroll down and we have to select a watch face that supports battery percentage complication. So let's scroll down and search for the one. Okay, I'm selecting this wallpaper for example, and here tapping on add face, and then swipe to the left side and go to complication settings. Here let's add a battery percentage widget. So I'm tapping on here, and now I'm just scrolling down and selecting battery from this list and selecting this battery percentage, and we can see the battery percentage successfully added as a complication or widget. Now I'm just pressing the crown twice to go back to my watch face, and now I can easily check my battery percentage from this watch face just like this. Thanks for watching.